Okay, assalamualaikum badonga kontongal bismillah. Lafta kuma kama mena dia wolem bala Musa kay Yaya Jammeh. So B tol men ka foko Yaya Jammeh kana na Gambia. Audio lo bondal kam. Al nimbaro na la man sakunda be jawale je. So me mengala do nga bala Musa la moy.
Playing out in a peaceful, peace-loving, development-oriented country called the Gambia. The crime that is taking place in the Gambia is worse than in Mexico or Colombia.
Bala yamre mo exaggerate ba ke bang?
Nobody has ever been prosecuted. Ugandans also were complaining about my checkpoints. When the law killed those people that killed people, and they were executed, what did he tell me?
But Yalan, the problem is you killed some people, but the law did not kill them. Daba Marina and crew, what do you have to explain about that? The Ghanaians, what did you have to explain about the 50-something or 40-something Ghanaians that you killed? Fall from a lawyer, you old nya. Daba Marina, your summary execution them. So Bala, ela mofa, you can never come out to justify it. Summary execution monkey. When you mo luala mofa monkey, mofa monkey. Malafi kornyo le nyana dal.
Killer is this and that and that. Now you know the reason. But I told you one day you will beg for killing executions. Nobody's going to listen to you. That's the day that has come. Now almost every day somebody's raped or stabbed or run over by a vehicle, robbed, raped, everything goes in there.
Yala, these are some of the things may allow anyone Gambia or maybe I don't know, it's all a brainwash, no, but if you guys can remember, and those of you from Jara can attest to this, I think you remember around 2000 something, early 2000s, Rebellion and Narafoe started movement at Jara. Who can remember this? Yajamaka tell him this girl, Baro is doing way better than you. Way better. Iman kill him. Jara and Dola Jara and Arale ye sate bureng, Birinara bureng. Early 2000s. Ye sate ubeleta, literally, because it started beginning a checkpoint of ye started ending a checkpoint of ye police all bull. You didn't even arm your police. Ye charendi, Dunda Sade Kono, ye Sulala Fingol Be Busila. They didn't even have to kill anybody because there was nobody to resist. So Obala Musa killing Menkira Okara Mena Jamanola. Nimbio Kana Tolego. Like security is in Gambia until a checkpoint. Your checkpoints did not make any sense. The Gambia no Gambia do I travel in a Kola and the Bango Gandro. Security people now deal with technology, intelligence, Ikela security apparatus, security units or equipped with modern technology. Bala. Huh?
Gambia today. All the worst criminals around our neighborhood, even far away, come. The worst drug dealers come. Containers of drugs come.
What happened in Maninarin during Yajam's time?
But it's coming to an end.
No, was it Maninaba? Well, I was a Manina there.
If Adam Obaga thinks that he's the only one who can, in fact, if he thinks that he's the one to bring me back, he's not going to do it. But he cannot even do it. But Adam Obaga, you cannot also prevent me from coming to the Gambia.
Yeah, Baroto mention. Alal hakil to Sinajila Baroto mention ala Diamakona. So he's not Momoya Miracle, he is talking to the ordinary supporters of APRC and ordinary Gambians. And you all know why he would feel the urge to address the President of the Republic.
Sooner or later we will know who owns the Gambia, you or me. That day would be very nice. Very nice.
So former president ka current president ni be janjun nale ulungu be dula bake ulungu be diala bake.
Very nice. I want to go back to what people are talking about. In fact, I look for the tape, the iPad. No, it's a tablet where I put everything about the oil and gas and some other thing that I don't want to tell you.
Concealing information from Gambians. ako fendol beje bala tablet okona yala ni ko to gine manke nyama di bangodi by now nyanta ya red la ya tablet because about describe kana be mo gadget si bala ko nyanta bosi la bulle ya ona sane ya di gameno because amata na fa gambel na fa
Those are not the only resources we have.
Okay, so ako nyilda mama ke fengo de melan ko be gamel that means alan sor fengo dol be mbullu na bango kanne me alongo mineral solu ate fe atele wala moli alon idama you are not the most intelligent in fact you didn't do any of those things scientist all ning muna engineer le mene do goge okay tol moli yelon so don't worry about that we will take care of those things bala don't worry
But I will get them back
imandra mobul
peacefully or by force, because this is robbery. And you people who sold our country, be ready. They say I'm not coming. Let's see who's going to run.
Saka ikate tina sakumba jelal jumal be borla fitna kumandila lande ya jame you know I like to be considerate about our APRC brothers but jame la fitna wulindu kumol kasiya baka gambia la karola baro yala uba igno kana moli adandala la banya kasika ade si doro
Other people are saying Jame should not talk about the Gambia. Who the hell are you?
No, it is not about that because ibe fitla banko kan agreement on mende wala ko ibe fintila le kairo kono one of the conditions was ibe nyakasi la Gambia political and yeda boni Gambia political wo sartolu wolle landi da birim tumo men na e ko pour findi banko kan atara mote mudala atara mote kukelela yebule findi ifon ye kairo kono ñinam kambe wote
You wait for me. When I come, you be at the airport and tell me, Jame, you cannot come down. And let me, I don't want to say anything bad. I'm waiting for that day. You all wait for me, okay?
We are waiting.
You all wait for me.
Be come.
That is where I conclude my.
Come be ngabat. So that means I can't.
You know, those ask the soldiers who know me. Sometimes when I laugh, what mood I am in. I'm praying for the Almighty Allah to speed up the day and time. I don't think I'm going to sneak into the country like that. No, I'm not a coward. The way I left, the whole world saw me going red carpet to the plane. That's the way I'll come down out of the plane to a red carpet. If you don't put a red carpet there, I swear to God.
So ayala ko afintira akata tan yole la na dum banko kande akata binala abita kan tumo na dunya beaje abe fintila ire kapito fene abulata pleno la tata ako bunya fani kilon wole be werendende lay ay ajito banko kan akata tala ka fu komen ko atabe yole la lay dunande anide akabe jila na watam na mo be ba kalamdala
Billah walai talai. 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 Wait for me.
Uraula.
Wait for me.
Akali abato.
You think I will lie and say there's no oil? Americans, they know there's oil in the Gambia. Everybody knows. They all know. What is in Senegal is not commercially viable. In fact, somebody was talking about it, giving the impression. They said it took them how many years for them to finish the process to start drilling in Senegal. Do you know why? And then they started drilling for the oil directly because I made it very clear. I did everything. It's now a question of bringing a rig to dig. Well, even the wells have been designed. That's why they came quickly and then jumped to the Gambia. This far oil, I know them. But anyway, I don't want to talk about it. It's history for now until I come.
Ata diamla fala kula because anem fabe nyum ko to waro ne tata kiti la lusta kiti nyanga man son ka fa gambe dingol ala ta kalanda tambi kudo lak je wol man so wala so bar men ko je men ko mara nyum ko mol men wala nyina ka ko Senegal e tulo men so wo man si pour komen ka fa ka julaya même commercial scale di amam futawdo so wala nyiko Senegal tulo mbe bla man si gambe ta wala si ala Senegal be gambe ta la sunyaka bo ku fin ku koy ako ata kullo nyim fala mole aka babul kaytol nyin anin the digital record abe babul la kamanta ko di mola akol mu kullo ta malaf ko fo moy
until I come my country the Gambia until I come nobody will colonize us twice. Unfortunately they are colonizing for 8 years.
Okay, so ako mote mul colonize la comme mote mara ko tuba wol kam mara no nyamen sinya fula ako bari unfortunately tuba wol ta ko la nyindol fana nara yal mara wa nyama bul jawoto sanji say so wolem barola man sakundar so yalong bala fere ta nyaaw nyaata diamu no la altra mala ngan yotti tandi ko alafta fitno nat la Gambia bare adama baro na la NPP ko ni be diamu le buka understand ya jambe I'm very sad ko internationally still now imam fa wulinda kam Equatorial Guinea is not the most powerful country on earth. You can go after them. Ali Presso, through ECOWAS, through the African Union, even at the UN level, Yajame have released sufficient audios to confront them internationally. Kaitan dilako, al sonda ka recipient wadomena, al nyanda sona yung conditional because Yajame le findo it was based on yung conditional. Nga sartol lelandi ko ya be tamala yung sartol lel. Bar science and ya be siring abe fitno fula Gambia ma, abe fitno fula Gambia, abe fitno kurkuru kang Gambia. Aka fem kurkuru abe fitno prumu prat la mansaya Allahu akbar iko e banko men kanu iboraje ila tulu jorangol ila tulo kullolu iko le bebul bari ko ta dile bar niya dila be na falal imal la fa e kewo nyama bala musa dana me support bari I'm very proud
because of the
kon ne me support.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so aliya moyle basically nyina mala kuma ngota kamem be double jam fitna wulendi ko abolo ko and I hope you know be in the sun adam boro nyo lay nunto man saya cool adam boro still like more like nunto man salam but no dembe ya jame ba on man la nyame ba ku men kelala awatara Equatorial Guinea la ben kala modala president is very powerful. President can do a lot of things ya ni aje Russia kata ka bandiol so do men yalon ko wol ka kolke on their behalf such as hacking and some illicit activities. Somna jawo do bi ka tuja ko koleyale ya be nyamen den al nyanda futala mala be damen ya should feel your pain na lonko al se ngaba no ka futa ma be damen to al sa hamno jele ida ka compromise o ka ham balon afon balon nako tonya mben dabula kan ko men do manyana kan dabula bara la bula je to al ya fo drongo ya jammele mu e ya lo ade o kay mu akide dal to be diamo ni man diam kensena nyimbe fennel plan kan ado niwol mota kanyanta mola nyamen kata laftala nyamen kata ba kurkur kan nyamen kata ba tabi kan nyamen tuman do bato do safa kino e kuno Gambia adun jikita o mobe kila adam baroti ata ngani o menti so adam baro na la masakunda you have been sleeping on this guy alkana fo dronko emphasis ndesan wala ninga emphasis jibe ka fum fay ko are these people really ready to resist any kind of insurgency coming from Balamusa? Because Balala Molbe Faru system there are still people who are very loyal to him. But Yajame does not even have to talk to some of these people prayer support. Now go run crime belalakan. And this is why corruption no membe banko kan baro. Yaje banko na tara fadun ta duladoro. Ye Iran ja. Bring Israeli yema. Ye banko they were able to rally the country behind the government. Because ye be yaitan dila ko nyumu common enemy lati. Bari ite foyta baytani no banko bela ko yaya mu jawolti yende fany miré ñina anytime ya la ñin diamul nata so wala ni mol koy corruption o kele because akakata ñamen askeno aba futala tembe do melon ka ba kuntula mantafu andu ite fana be sula lan to banko dingol fon la kuma kan wala anen na diamolu anen na ñin diamol me ke for social media because in an imaginary world nena ma wish because ndama la ya man sakunda bara sa trano ase topul nole either temporarily or permanently and he's going to try. Don't underestimate this guy. Sanamanya nyol membe banta, Rambo Jayo nyolu, and all these young soldiers, many along, yes, now maybe they are in their mid-40s. These are very experienced soldiers. So now, ni de America, ulba siyo membe la udlara, ulma lef kamuru Gambia. Ya homesick ta nyame, ul homesick ta wala nyama. Andom birim finto keda, e jorangol be bule, ni jorangol be bule, adu ngalon ko Gambia be nyame, you don't need a lot of weapons pour ko membe ko kudeta kake. You just need to take, you ransack one checkpoint wrong. You go to a bigger one. More than kelo man kole ani many ano. So bari wolu be manke kuti me yalongo wonyana kala na banko kanne. Ya treatment post the threat should be neutralized. Ya be damendo anyantal feel dale. diamula intelligence le ni intelligence chief so me yalan ko he cannot put Yaya Jammeh under pressure right now, either directly or indirectly, even by way of clandestine operation. Ya ma feel no ko fenna be caring man salbe gambe ka me Adam Barrow o intelligence chief a bay ila military intelligence ila cyber security molu ila mol me yalan ko wolle marta ila external affairs la NIA ko ngalon ne department of we know that they have an external division. Neither will they cannot put any kind of pressure, intimidating tactics. They cannot use any against Jammeh. Ibay. NIA la external external department, external affairs department. Aning SIS ila director general fund. Aning army chief la army la cyber security man la cyber security. But I know ko for a fact ko they have intelligence or army ka intel sort. If you also have the intel. Ibe int itol ka int ila intel army intelligence molu ni man fenkeno about Yaya imam fenkeno about Yaya ibay man tare tan ganni gande ibe dembu ganne you are waiting ni mano mina wato menna abe Yaya will strike mo kanene ni amirambe extreme kumolo fokan. Don't get me wrong, we have had enough audios to be convinced ko Yaya will strike at some point. Adabe men do mbeno ma wolan keto president no. And I enough support sodole militarily, politically, publicly. Pour gaje ko nay president alaman tanggal nay president eliminate woket haniman kamangunda wala kita basel wala anywhere in the country. Pour ga ko he's going to work his way to State House. Fabe easy la. But coming anarna be kala ko kuko yemen sifa kenonne ase mamman wulindi nole. So this is what I'm trying to say. Among comment go a nice strike wrong is going to be like a complete takeover. But fitna mamo, Gambia man fitna la for need in general. And this is what the president needs to understand. Wala na ko ngo ala intelligence chief solo, ala intelligence la branch men mara external affairs la, ala mon me yalan ko wala mara military intelligence la. Nimam ala national security advisor nimam if they are not able to come up with anything mayalonko bari Equatorial Guinea is a country mayalonko they are not willing to comply, they are not able to make Yaya Jammeh feel the pulse. Understand ko you cannot sit and recklessly threaten the stability of a sovereign nation. This is hurtful. Jumala Yaya Jammeh karte wale bondi if you want to come back nanang yes no problem loi membi jende ndal fo no la lamuda. If you want to come back. If you think you can imam fenge menis loi nyo wali, just come, you go to court and defend yourself. Who knows, maybe you're gonna be a free man. But kaitan du kontamina na nim fitna nim kelo nim kidi molel bina anambaro, you are taking that lightly when people speak a camera ibas ni sino diate bulu. This man, I know this man does not even want to know where Wandifa lives. He doesn't even care. He doesn't even want to know where I am from. But for you, he wants to know precisely where you are, any minute, any second, round the clock. So ni molbe diangle president ila moy ini la molu ngalo galbe busy nalbe banko be converse kan political and all that, but jiberla do be banda la hakil do ya la thing is they are very worrisome. To be honest with you, I really think something should be done. I think it's enough is enough. Abenyen kalibali membela. Now I think it has reached a threshold of Kafo. Okay, maybe there is something more to it. Munea convinced, Munea believe Nico, he wants to do something like this. And I remember last time we did a thread thread of in the details of, but they were talking about Nyamol left in the water bango, Nyamole, thank you. Demanding talmanga security mo de yamar no brala la gil to mbo wato do koteki anda pelenda ga papa yeko na wato nka ala dan ba wato itere abudum fa ala dan nyam mo lel tere afali na ba don't even know. So brala la gil to Yaya Jammeh is askira fa wotinade bar kuma ala molu and ñu molde we all know they are in the sub region ibe Casamance ibe Guinea Bissau ñun lalam. This is the between the two Guineas and Casamance ibe this is the place they have been meandering around all this while. So take it seriously, falillahi hamdu. Take it not seriously, falillahi hamdu. What is koi is Wandifa is in Netherlands. Mambo kukalama, mambo fengalam. Bari malafi fanang hani siso efa Gambia because of Yaya Jammeh ka alafta ka muruna Gambia malafi wala nang ko president ko ngi dani feroke yekuke Yaya Jammeh ko to ameta diamula nyimbede kuma kensenti de fero bala de kule bala nyin kono ke babu kala kurto wura fe gola fuso da makama de ngabele fo de ngabele fo ni man nyinta ase wonen alhamdulillah ala baraka baka al tantu ngal jayi see you another time.